everyone, my name is Kelly. So today I'm going to share with you how to make your own salmon sashimi at home. And this is something I learned from Sushi. So before I never liked to eat sushi, but Angik, he loved eating sushi and he got me addicted to it. So I call him Sushi after that. And he showed me how to make it more affordable by making your own salmon sashimi at home. And I'm going to show you how to make it, okay? If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and help me raise awareness for my charity and to be a voice against human trafficking and child exploitation. So, this is a piece of salmon that we got from Costco, okay? So even buying salmon, I didn't realize this either. So usually when I would go to the supermarket, I would buy the reddest piece of salmon there is, because I thought that the color red is actually a good salmon. But Sushi said that if you want to eat salmon sashimi, it's best to buy the sushi looking like this, meaning it's more of like a peachy color as opposed to red color, because he said the red one is old. And also these white lines that you see here, it's good fat. This is considered as a good salmon sashimi piece. See? So I got this at Costco. I find Costco has good clean meat. It's packaged for you nicely. It's better than buying it from the supermarket. So usually we buy a piece like this and they're about $24. And if you look at this big piece and cut them up, you can get a lot of slice out of this. And if I were to eat this amount of sashimi at a Japanese restaurant, it would cost a lot of money, like at least over $100. So by you buying, a $24 piece of salmon, you save a lot of money, okay? When you open this up, you do not wash the whole thing. You only open to where you're gonna eat, cut that part, and put the wrap back. So you're not contaminating the rest of the salmon. So we're gonna take this out, okay, like this. So let's say we're going to eat about here. So I'm going to do a salmon sashimi as well as I'm going to air fry the salmon as well. So here, get yourself a good knife, and I'm just going to cut. Another thing is, do not mush the salmon. Do a nice clean cut, okay? So I'm just going to cut the salmon down like this. Then I'm going to take the salmon out and put it here, because we are going to wash the salmon. And this, we're going to cover back nicely and put it back into the fridge. So, particular way to wash the salmon so that it doesn't mush the salmon. So you got to be very gentle because you're eating this raw and you don't want to ruin the meat. So we're going to turn on cold water, not hot, okay, very softly, and we have to hold it like this and just lightly put the water. You're not mushing, you're not trying to over clean it, just gently, okay. And this one as well. Gently. I'm just going to rinse this. And you're just going to dab the salmon dry. Okay, so just gently. Okay, because again, you want to have a nice piece looking salmon as opposed to a, see? It's nice and clean. Place it there. And then with this one, so gently just absorb all the water out like this. Just over here. Okay. So there we have our piece of salmon. Okay. So you can cut it any way you want. I just find that I like to, I like bigger pieces. So this one, since it's already separated, I'm just gonna leave that for my air fryer. So we cut down the center like this. So rather than going like this to mush the salmon, I'm just gonna do a nice clean cut like that. Okay, 2, 4, nice clean cut like this. Now I'm just gonna cut them into rectangle pieces like this. Okay, and then place them here. My knife is pretty dull, so if you have to cut it multiple times, try to go in one direction so it's a nice clean cut. Okay. And the reason why I'm making it thick chunk is so that if I happen not to be able to finish the sashimi, I can always throw it into my air fryer. Okay. So I love eating the salmon sashimi, and I was told that it also helps you to lose weight, and the oil is actually a good fat. Okay, so if anyone who have cholesterol or want to flush out any bad toxin in their body, they can eat salmon sashimi. Okay, so this I will put in the air fryer after, but I'll just leave it here for now. Okay, done. And now we're going to make the sauce. So this I got from Bee Trust. So I find that I went to a few supermarkets and I couldn't find it. So I'm just going to tell you where I got it. So if you go there, you know it's there. So these two I got at either King Hung or Bee Trust. King Hung is on Jane and Finch if you're in Toronto, and Bee Trust is near Wilson and Keele. Okay, so and this is the particular soy sauce. It says sushi soy sauce. I wouldn't eat the regular soy sauce because it's too salty. And then I put in this much right here. Okay. And depending on how much wasabi you like, I usually pour about an inch. Okay. And this brand is actually a very good brand wasabi. I find it tastes like wasabi. Other brands, I find that they're just like a, not as strong. So once you mix it in, you're gonna blend them, because if you don't blend them properly, you may take one wasabi and it can be too much. So mix it like this. Okay. They usually have ginger. You can have it with the ginger as well, but I don't eat the ginger, so I didn't get it. But so nice and blend like this. Okay. And now let's try our salmon sashimi. Very affordable, very cheap. So let's see here. So this is addicting, guys. You can feel that wasabi going up your brain, and it's really good. So honestly, homemade salmon sashimi tastes the same as if I went to a Japanese restaurant. So this is my DIY video on how to make salmon sashimi. If you find that this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and help me raise awareness for my charity. Until next time, bye everyone. Thank you.